What if your ERP became a system of innovation instead of a system of record? Instead of maintenance and support costs piling up, they're driven down. What if you could work faster and more efficiently to keep up with the pace of business? What could you become? Well, more. With Syntax, our fully managed e-business suite solution on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure opens up a world of better performance, scalability, and cost efficiency, allowing you to do more with less. But how? Our approach to migrating your EBS solution to OCI seamlessly transitions into our comprehensive managed services, giving you the ability to upgrade to faster CPUs, project environments on demand, a fully managed 24/7 security solution, and more. But where it really makes a difference is how Syntax can lower your costs, and we mean really lower. A 38% savings compared to running on-premises, and up to 35% less when compared to migrating to other hyperscalers. Because it's all about future-proofing your EBS solution and your bottom line with a partner that has over 30 years of experience to help you do it right. Become more for less. Run your EBS solution on OCI with Syntax.